Hello and welcome to Milestone 6. In case you don't know what this is about, check out the link to the playlist in the description. So this is your challenge for Milestone 6. You need to add a top bar like this with beginner, intermediate, and expert. And depending on the one you choose, the board changes. So for beginner, you have 10 bombs and the board is 8 by 8. For intermediate, you have 40 bombs and the board is 16 by 16. And for expert, you have 99 bombs and the board is 16 by 30. And if you play the game and let's say you're in expert mode and you click here, you stay in expert mode and the game is reset. And if you click here again, let's say I'm in beginner mode, I click again on beginner, this also resets the game. And if I play in beginner mode and I click on intermediate, it resets the game to the intermediate mode. So if I go back to beginner, my game was lost. So basically it was reset, that's what I mean. So that is your challenge. I was quite surprised at how hard this was for me. You can stop listening now if you're not interested in my digressions, but this was hard for me. First of all, because I tried to do this. I tried to create these menus. And look, I got this far to create a check that retains which level we're on. And I got to the point where you can click away and it closes, or you can click to open and close. You can click here to close. You can click escape, type on escape to close. But once I got to custom, I was like, okay, I'm going to need a dialogue and everything. And I'm like, okay, forget about it. Let's just copy the way that they did it on Minesweeper Online, where they had just these links. So we're not going to be doing custom in Milestone 6. We'll do that in a later milestone. It would seem that there would be quite a few more milestones. I always think that we're nearly done, but we're not. So that was one reason this was hard for me. I just got bogged down with this and then decided to move on to this. And the second reason this was hard, but took me a lot less time, is because you basically need to communicate between the top bar and the game. So I basically did that I'll show you in my solution how I did it. So watch the next video if you want to see my solution. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.